Welcome to the second video on getting it done with Vitus DK. Word processing software are used to write essays, reports, letters, and other context. Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and LibreOffice Writer are software in productivity suites that actually create, edit, and format text documents. They have advanced features including formatting options, styles, templates, and collaboration tools. The best choice for you and your organization or business will depend on your specific needs, your preference, and the budget. If you focus on deep integration with Microsoft or Google, cloud-based with access on any device with internet connections, or free and compatible open source alternatives. Word and text documents can be accessed online, on a browser, possibly by signing in, on a desktop, or with an app launcher on a mobile device. They can be created from blank slates or templates, opened, saved, and shared, and also you can navigate to any of them. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know.